Eye Care Foundation is setting up a Vision Aid Center with Vision Aid USA. It will be a low vision and rehabilitation center in which ophthalmologists, optometrists, eye care practitioners can send their patients or get their patients and use the equipment. We hope to serve the population of Western Maharashtra, and that anybody who is legally blind, he or she can use whatever little vision they have and can lead near normal life. So we hope that Vision Aid Center helps as many people in Western Maharashtra as possible.
Hello everyone, I am Muskan Sheikh, an optometrist from Vision Aid Center. Low vision is a loss of sight that cannot be corrected by eyeglasses, contact lens or a surgery. In such a patient, we can give a low vision aid. Low vision aid are the devices designed to help the people with the poor vision. This type of devices may make things brighter, clear and larger. These devices are used to distance and for near. For distance, we can use bioptic telescopes, monocular and binocular telescopes, and for near, we can use magnifying eyeglasses, prismatic glasses and magnifiers. As well as we can give a non-optical devices to the patients like mobility canes, reading stand and Notex reading guide and writing guides. For rehabilitations, we have a computer room with the computers and special softwares. We also have a conference rooms for other training like spoken English training, mobility and orientation training, mobile technology and other conference and events. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Supriya Phadke, an ophthalmologist. Today we are talking about Community Eye Care Foundation's Low Vision Aid Center. This is a place where we will be conducting computer training programs. This is the room where we are going to conduct the workshops for ophthalmologists and optometrists, as well as training programs for visually blind, as for example English speaking or life skills or psychological assessment and treatment of visually impaired patients. As you know, our Low Vision Aid and Rehabilitation Center will work at two locations. One is a base clinic and another is a mobile clinic. This is a mobile van which will be used to conduct the survey and the treatment of the patients. With this, we will be visiting different institutes, medical colleges and hospitals where we can see the patients, we can dispense LVA and we will give guidance to the patients about future rehabilitation programs. The mobile van is equipped with chair unit, trial set and low vision devices. Thank you.